Love hot pot but hate waiting forever for it to boil? This electric hot pot can serve up to 8 people, boils in about 8 minutes, and even lets you enjoy 2 different broths at the same time. If you're looking for an easier way to enjoy restaurant-style hot pot at home, the Food Party 6-liter electric hot pot is definitely worth checking out. Its spacious 6-liter capacity makes it ideal for family dinners, game nights, holiday gatherings, or weekend meals with friends. Whether you're cooking for 2 or feeding a group of 8, there's plenty of room for all your favorite ingredients. One of its best features is the built-in S-shaped divider, allowing you to cook 2 different broths at the same time. Enjoy a spicy broth on one side and a mild broth on the other without the flavors mixing together. It's perfect for families with different taste preferences. Powered by a 1200 watt heating element, this hot pot can bring a full pot to a rolling boil in about 8 minutes, so you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meal. The 5-level temperature control gives you complete flexibility, whether you're gently simmering broth, cooking vegetables, or bringing everything to a fast boil for meats and seafood. Cleanup is just as easy thanks to the PFOA-free non-stick coating, which helps prevent food from sticking while making cleanup quick after dinner. The removable power cord also makes serving at the table more convenient and simplifies storage when you're finished. If you're thinking about upgrading your family dinners or hosting the perfect hot pot night, click the first Amazon link in the description to check today's price, available discounts, and real customer reviews before this deal changes. For anyone who loves sharing meals with family and friends, this electric hot pot delivers convenience, versatility, and plenty of cooking space in one stylish appliance. If you enjoy discovering smart Amazon kitchen gadgets and home appliances, don't forget to subscribe because we feature the best Amazon finds every single week. And if you're interested in the Food Party electric hot pot, be sure to check the Amazon link in the description for today's latest price, special offers, and verified customer reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.